Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are keeping it super simple with a nail art design using only 2 gel polish and a dotting tool. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Start by applying a thin layer of first layer of gel polish and cure it under the UV light for 30 seconds. Once done with the first layer, now apply the second layer of gel polish. It should be thick and cure it under UV light for around 60 seconds. Now apply the top shiny coat over the polish we applied earlier. Don't cure it under the UV light this time. Instead, grab your dotting tool and create a half circle dot just like you can see in the video. In the video, I choose to make around 6 to 7 dots, but feel free to do as many as you like. If you want a smaller flower, use fewer and smaller dots. For a bigger flower, add more and bigger dots. If you feel the dot we made with the dotting tool is too small, just add another drop to make it bigger. It's all about your preference and creativity. Now using the brush, let's create a stroke in the inner corner of the flower to enhance that flower effect. Start the stroke from the dot we made earlier with the dotting tool. Remember, just make a single stroke. Too many strokes might make it look messy. Keep it simple like you see in the video and repeat the process for the remaining drops. After finishing the design, cure it under the UV light for about 30 seconds. Next, apply a top shiny coat all over the nail, ensuring every area is covered. Before curing the top coat, place a rhinestone in the middle to add an extra floral effect and enhance the design. Once the rhinestone is in the place, cure the nail under UV light for 30 seconds. And there you have it, a beautiful nail art design is complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all my latest videos.